Hello, my name is Bill and welcome to Mind Your Crypto. Today we have Chiliz CHZ daily update. We are going to see the next price targets, and of course, before we continue, do not forget to join our monthly subscription, Patreon/MindYourCrypto or BillMindYourCrypto.com or buy me a coffee/MindYourCrypto. Thank you so much for watching. Have a fantastic day. Let's start right now with CHZ that finally broke the resistance level of the 0.2654 that we had back on 24 August 2022. You can see with higher lows, higher highs, always finding as a support level the 50-day MA or the 20-day MA. We finally made it. And right now, not only that, but it seems like we have made it as a support level. I'm going to tell you the two possible pathways that CHZ is going to follow. But first, we are going to go to CHZ against Bitcoin chart. Right here, you can see that CHZ against Bitcoin chart has a little bit of a bearish RSI divergence between these two highs. Okay, and you should be careful because we might be having a correction, but not something hugely important. What I mean by that is that, first of all, CHZ against Bitcoin chart might be going to retest the 0.401177, or first, we are going to reach this point right here, the 0.401681, before we go a little bit further down, having the correction. Okay, so it is those two possible scenarios right here. Either way, CHZ seems very, very good into the weekly scale. Okay, but you have to be careful because we are having a very huge high risk in the RSI. The RSI is above the 70, which means that you should be careful right here. Although we had the very high risk and we corrected and then we pumped, right now, yeah, it seems like you should be a little bit careful. When we see the weekly RSI above the 70, it is usually an area where we might be having for the next weeks some red price action. Anyway, for the time being, it is looking good. It is looking like we made the 0.401175 as a support level as well, and it seems that it is inevitable to reapproach the 0.401681, but you have to be careful in the short term because we are having a little bit of a high risk with the RSI and the bearish RSI divergence. Anyway, I think that according to the price analysis, we should be going a little bit higher. Right now for CHZ against USDT chart right here, you can see that the next price target is the 0.2919. Okay, and there are two possible scenarios. The first one, it is to go up there, another plus 6% profit target, and then we go further down, retesting the area of 0.2652. The second one is that we correct for now and we go a little bit further down into the support level of the 0.2534, around this area right here to 36, and then we go to 0.2919. Now, why do I have the 0.2919 as the only resistance level? Because it is a very important one. Okay, only if we close above the 0.2919, we can go to the 0.31 and maybe even to the 0.3255. However, for the time being, I'm only having this resistance level as it is a very important one, and from there we are going to see where CHZ is going to go. Eventually, for the time being, 0.2656 should be our support level. We either go up and have a correction after, or what we are going to do is simply to go to the 0.2536 and then have a pump towards the 0.2919. Either way, CHZ seems bullish. And why I'm saying that, it is because the correction will come because we are having a bearish RSI divergence, but not only that, it is bullish because we are in an impulsive wave in the daily frame and of course in the 4-hour frame. Now the impulse wave on the daily frame is confirmed by having this higher low, higher high pattern and also finding support pressure on the 50-day MA. You can see that we never closed below, and of course we have the next huge buying pressure for CHZ against USDT chart. That's why I'm thinking CHZ can manage to pull it off and to go even higher, having some small corrections in the 4-hour frame. It is pretty healthy for an altcoin that wants to get even higher. Do not worry, for example, if we go further down right here into these levels. Okay, not something important for the time being. Pay attention to the 0.2919, and from there, if we close above in the 4-hour frame or the daily frame, we can even get higher. Thank you so much for watching. Have a fantastic day. See you soon with many more videos. Bye.